Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sirilla, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. We are going to next discuss about this conventional form of treatment. Here, everybody who is watching this video, a major percentage, that is 80% might have used minoxidil. So, minoxidil is used so that you will get these hair follicles will start developing. That is, it pushes the hair into the growth phase. Okay. So, if minoxidil is given and you're continuously suffering from stress and that stress is not taken care of, this minoxidil is of no use. That means you will have baby hair, but it will fall off as soon as you stop using minoxidil. Second thing, if it is physical stress because of some sort of hormones, if you're not taking care of the hormonal problem and you're using minoxidil, baby hair might develop, but it will fall off eventually after stopping, so it is of no use. And third thing, if you're having any sort of, infectious, after infection, you have started developing this telogen effluvium. If you're not taking nutritional supplementations, if you're taking this minoxidil, it will grow your baby hair, but it will eventually fall off after stopping. So, all of these conditions, whatever minoxidil is providing, you have to take nutritional supplementations and also you have to take care of the cause. If you're not taking care of the cause, then this minoxidil is of no use. And also prolonged minoxidil usage is not advised, because minoxidil can cause irritation of the scalp, it can cause dryness of the scalp, and also in certain section of people it can cause seborrheic dermatitis as well. So remember, if you're having any sort of hormonal changes, any sort of after infection hair fall, better to choose something which will give you a medication which will have no side effects on you. Next form of treatment is nutrition supplementations. Be it any form of treatment, you need nutritional supplementations for your body to grow your hair back. Next, low level laser therapy and PRP. If you are having any problem in the blood, the quality of blood is not proper, then what is the use of getting a PRP done, because the blood quality is only not proper. After taking the blood, they are injecting here. So if the quality of blood is not good, PRP is of no use. So improve your blood quality first. Along with that, you can take homeopathic medication which have no side effects, and you can take PRP therapies also, so that combined they can give you much better effect. As well as also the low level laser therapy will help in stimulating your hair follicles. You can take homeopathic medications for your whatever given cause without any side effects, and then you can stimulate it through low level laser therapy. Then you can combinedly you can have good effect. But your homeopathic doctor will tell you if you need this low level laser therapy or this PRP therapy, or the medications will be enough. Next is the hair transplantation. If there is severe form of stress and all the hair follicles have gone into your this telogen phase, that is the regression and the falling phase, then you will be needing hair transplantation in severe cases where the hair follicle has started to close. But usually if you are going to a homeopathic doctor and you're taking medications, you will have good effects, especially Telogen effluvium cases. They are very responsive for homeopathic medication. Now coming into the homeopathic part, why should you choose homeopathic treatment over conventional forms of treatment? As I already mentioned it to you. See, minoxidil, it can cause scalp issues, and also after stopping it can cause your hair to fall. Second thing, low level laser therapy and PRP without any given cause addressing, and if you are not addressing the cause and you're doing these, it's of no use. Third thing is that your hair transplantation, it is only necessary when your hair follicles have closed and they're not responding to anything. So, and also all of these conventional form of treatments do have certain side effects and also certain stigmas associated with it. For example, you're getting low level laser therapy, you've gotten so many sessions but your hair is not responding. So what will you do? Because there is certain underlying cause, you need to address that, and the cause can be hormonal problem, your stress. Remember that what are you going to do with stress, people might ask. So remember, homeopathic treatment, the medications are especially designed in a way that hair fall after an acute disease, we have good number of medications. Hair fall after financial stress, we have medications. Hair fall after given emotional disruption, we have medications. And we have good number of cases where we are dealing with emotional distress and hair fall, physical distress and hair fall, hormonal distress and hair fall. So homeopathic offers a wide range of medications which will treat not only scalp issues but overall if there is any sort of problem with body hair also after a given form of stress, homeopathy can help. okay, and it is safe. There are no side effects in homeopathy. There is addressing the cause, which is very, very important, so that it will not reoccur. And along with that, if you want, if it is advisable, you can take a PRP or a low level laser therapy, and combined with that, you have to mainly include good nutrition and diet to get your hair back. Okay, so homeopathy can be said as the better choice of medication than allopathic form of medication. Now coming into the consultation part, if you are suffering from hair fall issues and you would like to get in touch with us, we have two types of consultations here at Fidicus Homeopathy. One is the offline consultation or the in-person consultation. If you're staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus Homeopathy, you can come and consult us in person. And if you're staying far away from us, you can consult us through audio or video online consultation. Okay, and after the online consultation is over, or after the consultation is over, we will be asking you for the investigations which are needed. If you have already got it done, you can share it with us. And after this part, especially to the online clients, we will be sending you our medications to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 or 3 to 5 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our good medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us, WhatsApp, ping or messages on this number which is displayed here. And also, if you would like to know more about us, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're watching this video and you're suffering from hair fall or hair fall issues and you're looking for cure, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Here at Fidicus, we stand for highest chance of health and we follow 3 principles. What are that? First one, we are already having good success in hair fall cases. Second thing is our transparent treatment here at Fidicus. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be talking to you about your case and also about your prognosis and the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy. What is personal care given? If you're having any sort of queries, if you're having any sort of doubts, if you're having any sort of fears regarding this hair fall, all of this, you will be educated on that and you will be given proper, education on whatever issue you're suffering from. So if you're wanting to choose cure, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.